we celebrate this is the power of radio. That while we have social media growing, every one of us is on Twitter and WhatsApp and all that, what has changed is mostly the medium of receiving the message, that we can have a lot of our Kabambe phones now have an FM feature. That while you sit in the car, we have an FM feature in the car. You can quickly go online and listen to online radio on your phone or tablet or computer. And I think that has been, but still in strategic villages where people walk around with the radio, isn't it? That's the power now that we work with radio in the pocket. The realities of radio for information and entertainment has not gone down. So as we sit here to celebrate, we reflect about how the airwaves have been opened, how now we have more access to information, and how we have more and more universities offering training.
Because I hear people say comedians are coming to radio and usurping the role of broadcasters. I found comedians on radio, and I have been on radio for the last 47 years.
I call the government to support radio sustainability. In Kenya, radio stations, both big and small, play an important role in providing local news, promoting cultural diversity, and fostering a sense of community. They serve as a platform for dialogue, sharing stories, and connecting people from all walks of life. However, sustaining radio operations in Kenya today and in this digital environment requires heavy investment and support. We urge the government to recognize the significance of radio and allocate resources towards its growth and development.